Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the server and client. This prevents wasted time later. Install the voice plugin matching your server type, Spigot, Paper, or Fabric, and ensure the client-side mod matches that exact version. Once done, stop the server, place the plugin or mod into the correct mods or plugins folder, and keep a current backup in case files conflict. Make sure your Minecraft and Java versions align with plugin requirements, so you avoid runtime errors when you start the server again. Next, configure the plugin settings and network so voice functions reliably. Open the config file and set port numbers, codec choice, proximity range, and default gain. This balances quality versus bandwidth. Then assign permissions for talk, mute, and admin use in your permissions plugin so only intended players can broadcast. Also forward or allow the plugin's port on your host or router. Without it, clients may not connect. Finally, restart the server after saving settings to apply network and permission changes. Now configure the client and verify everything works. This completes the setup. Install the matching client mod, grant microphone access, and choose your input device and push-to-talk key if required. These choices reduce background noise. Connect to your server and perform a quick range test with another player or a second client. Check volume, latency, and positional audio. If voice fails, check server and client logs. Confirm firewall and NAT rules, allow the plugin port, and ensure all mod versions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.